Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book a flight online on EasyJet. To get started, open the EasyJet website in your web browser or launch the EasyJet app on your mobile device. Once the website or app loads, you will be taken to the home page where you can begin searching for flights. At the top of the home page, look for the departure field. Click or tap on it and select the city or airport from where you want to take your flight. After that, move to the destination field and choose the city or airport where you want to travel. Next, select your travel dates. Choose the date you want to depart. If you are booking a return trip, also select the return date. Make sure all the dates are correct before moving to the next step. After selecting the travel dates, enter the number of passengers traveling. You can choose one adult or add more passengers if needed. If children or infants are traveling with you, select the appropriate options available. Once all the information has been entered, click on the Show Flights button. The EasyJet website or app will now display the available flights that match your search criteria. Browse through the available options and compare the flight times and details. When you find a flight that suits your schedule, select it. After selecting your preferred flight, continue through the booking process. The flight will be added to your booking, and you can proceed with the next steps, such as reviewing your selection, entering passenger information, choosing any additional services if needed, and completing the payment process. Once your booking is confirmed, you will receive your flight confirmation details. Thanks for watching.